Hello everybody, I just wanted to welcome you back, and today I have kind of a special little thing going on. I'm in my kitchen, but I am going to travel over to my daughter's kitchen, and we have a family member that has come into town and is going to be with us for the day, and my daughter's going to do some cooking. She's going to make a really great recipe, and I'm going to just kind of be there on the sidelines for her. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and I'm gonna start traveling. Let's get going and let's go to my daughter's kitchen. So how much garlic do you have in there, and how much sausage?
With your voice?
Oh, because I think it makes for a funny video. So share with us, how much are you using of this sausage?
I love the smell of garlic.
1 pound of Jimmy Dean
Nice.
Italian sausage. And one
clove of garlic.
Of garlic.
Perfect.
Make sure you mince it.
Make sure you mince it.
Mincing is the magic.
Wow, that looks amazing. It's browning up nicely.
Am I going to be in Ursula famous? Am I going to be Snap famous?
Sure. Do you want to be?
Yes.
I don't want my face in it.
Well,
You can get
how about your butt?
Okay. Okay, twerk for me.
Okay.
I don't even know how to twerk.
Twerk, 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 twerk.
I don't know how to do it.
Wait, I missed it. Okay. Do it again. I missed that. I gotta put it on.
Okay, ready?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I wasn't ready.
Oh no.
One more time. Twerk.
Oh, that's what makes the soup amazing. Twerking.
Add a little twerk.
That's so
Wow, that's hilarious. I couldn't have done
Twerk's gonna
that.
be rolling. She's gonna be rolling.
So it's looking mighty brown.
Uh-oh.
What's the next step? Butter. Am I in your way?
Everything's better with butter.
Oh, blue machine. Okay. Whoa. Okay now. Oh. At least she's turning her head from the food. I did teach her well. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna be like the side guy. Oh, here comes oh my goodness. All right. Perfect. Oh, stop it. Oh. All right, that looks good. Now you're making the roux.
Making the roux.
I can't wait. This is so fun, not having to cook and video at the same time. This is funner when somebody else is cooking and I'm just showing you. Ooh, that looks good.
You offered us the video, we're on it, bitch. So today,
Oh, I have my sister visiting with us too. Oh, I'm bringing her in. Nobody will believe it.
hey bitch.
And she says the naughty word a lot.
are we
This is
making?
my channel, so stop that.
So I like to get everything demonetized. So
Well, not my channel.
Melt the butter
Melt
over.
the butter.
Okay.
Turn your sausage pan off, but then put half a stick of butter in and melt it.
Okay.
good.
That looks wonderful.
Hey bitch. Look. Wait, go back there.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Okay, so how much of
Get out of my way.
Get
out of my way.
how much of the
out of
butter
my way.
and how much of the roux are you using?
You use half a stick of butter.
Okay. So
Get
for
out of my way. You're too close.
I got to get over here then.
That's a better spot for
Okay, that's a better spot. So for all you keto lovers out there and know that you can't have flour, now you can do almond flour instead.
you. This is tapioca flour.
So this is tapioca flour, but you could use almond flour if you wanted to too. Look at that beautiful roux. Oh, nice. There it is. And did you say half of a cup
Half of a cup
of almond flour or tapioca flour?
almond flour,
Okay. Perfect.
I don't even know what roux is. Is it supposed to be liquid?
Yeah, it looks like it's too thick.
Did I put too much flour in?
Yeah, you're done with the flour. Now you need to add a little bit of butter, or do you do both butters? Or more water before it browns and gets clumpy. There you go.
I probably won't do any more flour then.
Probably not, unless you're supposed to add all the butter at once.
It said to.
Okay.
Can you get out of your soup?
Sorry.
Middle sticky note, please.
The middle sticky note.
Yeah.
I got to bring the recipe over to her. Okay. And you're adding the whole shebang of the chicken broth. Cool. Ooh, that looks really yummy. Is that like the thickening agent?
Yeah, I think so.
That looks yummy. So are you enjoying your trip?
Love it.
Visiting your niece and my daughter?
Absolutely.
Having a great time at her house with the pups and enjoying watching her cook? Love to watch her cook, and I love to eat her cooking even better. Looks amazing.
I am going to add some more flour. Because it should be a little more thick.
Okay. Like maybe like a half of a cup more, or
Maybe
fourth
like
of a cup?
Yeah, a quarter of a cup.
Okay. And are you cooking this on like medium low?
Medium high.
So you don't want to boil it?
No.
Okay. Because boiling, will that burn it?
Yeah. Probably haven't done it.
I can't wait to try it. It looks good.
I hope I
too.
didn't fuck it up by not just following his direction and doing all the flour and not adding any more.
I think you should.
Oh, I guess.
Can't say those words. Well, you should do it exactly the way he has it.
Does that look like a roux?
Well, your roux was when you made the thickness, the water, the butter, the thickness, and now it's just part of the base of the soup. How much water are you using?
4 cups.
How much?
4 cups.
Okay. So, give me an idea of how much celery and how do you cut it? Do you slice it, chop it, mince it?
Into like 4-inch pieces.
Okay.
About 6 to 8 stalks.
Okay. And you put that in
Remove it.
the base?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
And you add
Ooh.
a half a bag of shredded carrots.
Ooh, yummy. That looks like an amazing recipe. That looks good. Really good. Oh, that stuff is really good. Have you tried it before?
Better than bouillon.
Better than bouillon. It's flavored. It's got like garlic and herbs, and some of them do.
Then you do about a tablespoon.
Oh, yum. Oh, that looks so good. Let her try it.
Put your finger.
Put your finger in. No, this here.
That's too much.
I love it.
It's good.
Salty.
That's wonderful. Whew, yeah. Yeah, steaks, chicken. These boys are being... Look at my favorite friends. All my little favorite friends are being such good boys. Watching their mama cook. Love that. Got some pepper?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy. How much? Like a tablespoon, or I'm sorry, teaspoon? Two?
You be your judge.
Just to taste.
To taste.
Okay. Woo! Oh, and here comes the Himalayan sea salt. My favorite. That looks wonderful. How you doing?
Doing good.
Good.
She's got her naked juice over here.
Oh yeah. She's got her healthy juice over here to keep her healthy while she's making this meal for us and for herself and for her family.
It's supposed to be like 6 times thicker than that, so I don't know what to do.
I do.
You boil it.
I turned it on.
Okay, so how much flour did it call for? And how much did you put in there? Well, you put too much because when it boils, it'll start to thicken.
It'll thicken when it boils.
So yeah,
Because all
you
the
don't.
starch of the-
Yeah, you don't want to add any more now until it cooks. Because the flour doesn't have an instant thickening unless it's boiling and has heat to it. So I think
And
you'll
then
be
if
fine.
it's not thick enough at the end, then you just add a little bit more flour.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
So it'll be fine. No problem.
And because you put raw celery in there and carrots, you're going to have to cook it for a little while to soften
he
it.
said this will take like an hour or two.
Oh, okay, so we can take a break. Let's have a cheer, have a drink, have a cheer. Cheers, Mama. Okay. Say that again, please.
You have to let her do that because this is her kitchen, okay?
What are you drinking?
Whatever she made me.
Oh, well, look at this sweet little kitchen. She's been working her tail off. And look at those sweet little puppies everywhere. Oh my goodness, they're everywhere.
Ooh, it tastes good.
Look at all that hard work.
I can't wait to taste
Hard
it.
work at the kitchen. How's it coming over there?
Doing good.
Good job. Looks amazing.
Okay, do it. That's good. Okay,
Ready
go.
now?
Yes, ready.
What are you doing besides being pissy?
Pissed at you.
Sometimes it gets pissy when you make soup, but I promise it'll be delicious.
Okay, get out of my way now.
Okay. Do I taste one,
I
please?
don't know how done it is.
Sorry, you want
I
now.
made you some
Sausage is not done.
Celery.
Oh my goodness.
You don't need it right now, do you?
I don't know. I thought you said you were adding stuff to it.
You have to
Is it
eat
true that if you cook microwave food all the time, you get cancer?
No.
Okay, good, because that's what I'm living off of.
But you shouldn't eat food that requires microwavization.
Really? That food,
Microwavization.
you shouldn't eat healthy
Is that a word?
dinners that require microwave.
There's nothing healthy about TV dinners. I don't care how lean they say they are. Those are the worst kind of food.
Well, we are back home and we've had an amazing day with my daughter and my sister, and I can't tell you how fun it was to be with them and to watch my daughter cook and do all kinds of fun things in her kitchen. So we're getting ready for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. If you're looking for the actual recipe, look down below and I have it all written out for you. And be sure to watch for next videos. You never know what we're going to be doing. We got all kinds of fun things going on, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Click the bell above and make sure to never miss one of my videos. Until next time, guys, see you later. Bye-bye.